What we've got here is a Scion FRS 2014 steering wheel that just came in from a customer who wants us to get it looking back to new again. Obviously, we got some issues on this older steering wheel, and that is what Craft Customs is here for. We can take any steering wheel, pretty much any condition, and bring it back to factory new or better or different if you want something custom done to it. So what we're going to be doing on this wheel is we're going to remove the old leather, clean everything up real nice, and then we'll put a new smooth leather on the top and bottom and a new perforated leather on the sides, and we're going to transform it. When we come back, you'll see a new steering wheel. I'm Carter Craft with Craft Customs, and we have got a gorgeous steering wheel to show you today. This one's going out with several other ones, but this is off of a Scion, and we don't see too many of those because there's not as many of those as other vehicles out there on the road. But this is off of a Scion FRS, a 2014, and the customer sent it in, just wanted it redone, really back to factory, but we actually did it better than factory. We used a Lamborghini perforated leather on the sides and a Ferrari smooth leather on the bottom and top. We also used a contrasting basting stitch, the red basting stitch there, to really make this stand out, and now it just looks gorgeous. And that's the way we turn things out here at Craft Customs. Everything we do goes through multiple QC, quality control checks through the process. Everything gets checked by what we call a second set of eyes, and we make sure that you're always going to love what you get. That is our guarantee here at Craft Customs, and for 35 years we've been doing the same thing. So whatever steering wheel you've got, we do all steering wheels in the world, so whatever steering wheel you've got, reach out to us here at Craft Customs and subscribe to our channels, like this video and share it, and go visit our website at craftcustoms.com. We look forward to working with you and look forward to hearing from you, and this is what you're going to get from Craft Customs.